What if you could write, design, and sell a book without being a writer, a designer, or even a marketer? Sounds impossible, right? But thanks to artificial intelligence, thousands of people are doing exactly that right now. Here's how you can too. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. The biggest mistake beginners make is writing about something random. Instead, research what people are already searching for. Think self-help, personal finance, productivity, health, or how-to guides. Use tools like Google Trends or Amazon's bestseller lists to find topics with high demand and low competition. Step 2. Write your ebook with AI. This is where it gets exciting. Tools like ChatGPT can help you generate an entire book outline in minutes. Feed it your topic, your target audience, and your desired chapter structure. Then go chapter by chapter, prompting the AI to write detailed, engaging content. But here is the key. Do not just copy and paste raw AI output. Edit it. Add your own voice, your own examples, your own perspective. The best AI-assisted books feel human, not robotic. Step 3. Design a stunning cover. Your cover is the first thing buyers see, and it can make or break your sales. Use AI image generators to create professional, eye-catching cover art. Then polish it with free tools like Canva. A great cover signals quality before anyone reads a single word. Step 4. Format and publish. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing make it incredibly easy to publish your ebook. Format your manuscript, upload your cover, write a compelling description, set your price, and hit publish. Your book can be live and available worldwide within 24 hours. Step 5. Market and sell. Publishing is only half the battle. To actually make sales, you need visibility. Build a simple landing page, share snippets on social media, run targeted ads, collect email subscribers, and launch to your list. Many successful authors earn a steady passive income stream from just 1 or 2 well-marketed ebooks. The bottom line? AI has removed almost every barrier to publishing. You do not need years of experience or thousands of dollars. You just need an idea, the right tools, and the willingness to start. So what are you waiting for?